Hey, Lao Fu here, and I'm here with Fu, and we're having our morning run. So, in the morning, I think it's about 7:30. So, in the morning, if possible, we like to give Jay and Ari a little more time to sleep and get ready. And then we like to go out for a little morning stroll. We're in Jay's hometown that we just had the wedding. Jay's hometown of Ningbo city. And it's really cool. It's called a small city. It's 450,000 or something like that. Okay, come on, let's go. Hello. Look at. 你好。
你好。给你孙子吗
Yes.
你孙子吗
Okay, 你好。
你好。
Oh, that's a nice wave. Is she gonna come over and see you? Are you gonna come over and say hi? Oh, there he goes. Finally brave enough to say hi. Okay. Bye-bye, puppy. Bye-bye, puppy. Okay, let's go see Grandma. Let's go find Grandma. Oh, there's Grandma.
Did you have fun outside? Did you have fun?
He met a couple babies and a little puppy.
A puppy dog? Woof woof. Puppy dog, he's a puppy dog, sweetie. Your ears cool? Oh, hi. Hi.
So we're just gonna check him before we head out to the to Beijing. So this is my first time in the Chinese hospital. He has a little bit of a cough. So it's probably just a cold, but we just wanted to make sure because of his red ears.
Is that like mom has this connection in America? That wouldn't happen, like for your surgery.
Right.
It would right away get it.
Oh, yeah, no way. I had to wait months, half a year.
还是怎么不好啊？还是有可能我们怀疑有中耳炎，可以帮他检查一下。It's how a dark room. Oh, wow. X-ray. What? X-ray?
Like first experiences, but in China.
小豆腐，这么多人带你来看病，
它转运动
啊，
对，所以这个习惯呢，他所以讲他要大人的话，我能揉揉他，我能拽拽他，甚至我可以烤一下子。但小朋友他也不会，他也有可能有时候就让他咬了一个，对他也要动一下子，但是他就只能是抓。
So he said if you feel uncomfortable, we can help give a little massage, like this two sides.
感冒他会耳朵疼，那会哭。
He said if he got a cold, he might
如果
feel
是发炎的话，他会哭的，他疼难过。
There's something bad inside, and he will cry. Yeah. He thinks he's fine.
Oh, okay. 谢谢。
如果里边就
Okay, that's good news. They wanted to check him just to make sure, but Fu is good. So we're gonna head out to the next activity. Okay, so Fu is fine, and we're leaving the hospital. That was a really friendly doctor. If he has a little bit of pain, he can just kind of massage right in the front of his ear. Okay, here we go. Okay, everyone's going back to the hotel to get ready for the day and go out to lunch. But since I don't do anything to get ready, I'm ready now. So I'm riding in the car with the lady. Hi. She set up the bamboo trip that we're gonna go on. So right now we're gonna go to lunch, and since I have a few minutes, my shades broke yesterday during the live stream. So I'm hoping that the restaurant is kind of in a commercial area. So I'm hoping to try to buy some shaves. Also, my shaver is $110 and every outlet here is $220. So I'm gonna try to buy a shaver. So I want I'm on a shopping quest. If I can find a shaver and some new sunglasses. And she doesn't speak much English and I don't speak any Mandarin. So we just smile at each other and drive. So this is still Jay's hometown, and it's kind of interesting. It's around noon, I think, and I can actually smell the foods from all the food stands that are everywhere.
This is my work.
Oh, this is your office? Where
yes,
you work?
Yeah.
Okay.
小何
Oh, okay. This is her colleague. She's getting in on the other side. Okay. Okay. Do you speak any English? A little. Your English is better than my Chinese.
No.
I think she understood that. I was hoping I'd be able to buy some shades or maybe even a shaver, but it looks like we're heading out to the countryside. So maybe the restaurant is maybe near the Bamboo River thing. So it might be more of a rural area, but I really never know where I'm going. This is a cool little road. Wow, there's a cool little pond. This is a very narrow road. All the painted houses with the murals on the side. These are old tires that are painted 3 different colors, it looks like. Oh, and actually, there's 3. Yeah, I have been on this road because there's 3 different colors on the center line. Red, yellow, and green. There's our cameraman. Okay, I'll put my camera away so he can film. We're in Jay's home province at a restaurant with a 5-star, I'm sorry, with a gold star chef. It looks like Jay and Megan are joining us. Okay, that's okay.
Wow, Dad, do you like here?
It's amazing.
So cool.
Wait till you see the rooms we're eating in, and they have a museum here too. And Megan, it's a gold star chef that's cooking for us today.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Oh my. Megan is feeding. Wow, she's creating a frenzy. Megan's creating a feeding frenzy in China because she's single. Wow. That is so cool. So remember I said I wanted to go with the lady because I thought we'd have a few minutes in at a commercial area. But no, we wound up at this amazing exclusive restaurant with a gold star chef. And the food was incredible. Xiaodofu wasn't feeling so good, so Lynette and Ari stayed to watch him. But we wound up coming here to eat. And Megan said, and it was an incredible meal. And Megan said, flat out, this is the best meal she's ever had. So I thought they're filming us. So while they weren't filming us, I thought I'd quick show you guys. Hey, bye-bye. Thank you. There's the cameraman. So I thought I'd show you real quick this restaurant that we ate at. And the food is probably all gone, but I can still show you where we ate. Actually, hey, now this is the, I'll quick show you, it's towards the end of the meal, so most of the plates are gone. But this is, I don't know what that is. Everything was so good. I don't know what that is either. But yeah, that's, I don't know. And then this is something else I don't know.
That's chicken.
That's chicken. And this, I know what this is. That's orange and watermelon and probably cantaloupe.
It is.
And then this actually is my favorite. That's why they're gone. But it was
还在介绍，
radishes, fish soup. I don't know what that is. And Megan said this was the best meal she's ever eaten. She said she thinks she's in a dream. And this is our wonderful host today. Hi. And then, oh yeah, that's, I still don't know what that is. Oh, I know what this is. This is pork belly, and you can see there's hardly any of that left. That's pork belly and salad. I don't know what that is. And that's beef. Oh yeah, that was really good. And this is green stuff. And this is, I think, this is a local dish because we've had this at every place we've eaten. It's really good. Oh, and then this was kind of like an appetizer. This is a fish, and it was all prepared by a 5-star chef. Is that okay? That's a chicken sweet. I did not eat the chicken sweet, but and then these are spicy peanuts, raw peanuts, and they're really good. And me and Megan thought that this was tofu. Is it tofu? Okay, this is me. I am named after this plate because that looks like old tofu. And my name is Lao Tofu. So
You're right.
Is it? Okay. And then I think we're going to go ride on some bamboo boats in rural China. Okay, let's go.
When you came into my house, you said, baby, let's go. And I said, where we gonna run? You said, babe, I don't know. And through the